Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you're signed in with administrative access, because some toggles require elevated control. Once done, visually check for any physical wireless switches or keyboard FN plus key icons. These can override software settings. Then open Settings or the Action Center so you're at the central control. This is faster than diving into drivers. You're starting the process now to reveal whether it's a simple toggle or a deeper system setting that needs attention. You now target the software path. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet, then Airplane Mode and switch it off. That typically restores radios. If that control is missing or grayed out, make sure you check Device Manager. Look under Network Adapters for disabled devices. Once found, enable the adapter or right-click to update drivers. Sometimes rolling back recent driver installs fixes conflicts. If the adapter won't re-enable, restart the adapter or the PC to let the system reinitialize hardware. Finish by verifying connectivity. Test a website or run a simple ping to confirm radios are back online. If issues persist, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and try a network reset. These clear cached misconfigurations. Make sure to reboot after changes. If nothing helps, check BIOS or UEFI for a global wireless disable. Toggle it there and save changes. Quick tip: if airplane mode stays on, toggle a physical wireless switch or press the wireless FN key once. It often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.